Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a new slime. I've only got one new slime, but yeah, what I'll be doing. Okay, so yeah, this is the slime. As I will show you guys. It's not that stretchy. No. It's really good poking. It has sand in it if you see it. You probably can't, but I love slime. And as you guys know, what was I gonna say? As you guys know that I love slime, yeah. And this one pops. It just popped. Okay, wait, let me do it again. You ready?
What you asking for?
Oh, I won't pop anymore. Literally just eating my breakfast because I had to go shop, so I didn't have breakfast.
Out. Let it out.
I had to go get gas and electric from a couple of shops with my mum and that. I couldn't film it because it was really like, we had to rush. You'll just see me walking.
What?
I love this slime.
I'll wait for that. Gosh, I don't like it anymore.
And I'm kind of newish to YouTube. I've done loads of videos, but I'm kind of new because I literally do not have any subscribers. It's hard to say, but I don't. But please, guys.
Hey, why was Nicola messaging us?
I don't know,
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
but people, please subscribe and be my subscriber. I need this opportunity. Okay, just check. But I love you all, guys, that actually did subscribe. And can I just say, I've got a shout out for Chantal Fletcher. Shout out. That's Chantal Fletcher. Lovely girl.
Right, I need someone to get in that dog bed and pick up all that yellow.
Yeah, well,
Because, I can't get in there.
yeah, let me just finish my game. 2 seconds. I lost my game.
What is it? Today I'm going to do a short video just to show you. What's it? To show you that what some of my videos about and my new slime. But I hope you guys like this. Remember to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Turn on the notification bell, and I love you guys so much. And please comment down below what video I should do next. Please, because that'll do it for you. Bye bye.